Alright you guys, OneManOneCamera here. Today we're using my old cell phone. It only shoots a 720 along with my smooth, so it's like my Zhiyun Smooth Q. Now I have used this phone for a long time and the camera part of it, and the battery's really terrible, but I thought I'd give it a try. If it looks halfway decent, I can do the color correction and the that sort of thing, then I will post it up. Right now we're going to walk from the LINQ to the Venetian, I guess. All right. Check this out, though. So this is the this is a rematch. It's the open bar to the strip that they added to the LINQ. All right. Looks nice. Looks really nice. Oh, they have a few games in there too, if you can see. All right, yeah. Some Mario Kart games, I guess. And I've never played Mario Kart. All right. Let's keep walking. Over there is Caesar's. So the Zhiyun Smooth Q does help with keeping it stable, but as far as picture quality, I don't know, you guys. I could work my magic on the editing software. Man, it is baking out here today, you guys. I'm heading home, actually. I had enough for today. I have had enough. You know what I mean? Ugh. Oh, here is what's this guy's name? Guy Fieri's Vegas Kitchen Bar. Never been there. Just only walk by. I smell marijuana. Marijuana. And then Carnival Court. Carnival Court, they always have live bands in there.
I know you weren't listening. I know you were distracted, but this is Hank Williams Jr. I don't know how this works.
Now the piano bar is a lot of fun. They have Big Elvis and karaoke. These two cats in here.
Let's do an 8-track. We're gonna pull up the 8-track. Yeah, 105 degrees outside.
Hear that? 105 degrees outside.
Let's do it something.
Whoa.
Do something like this. Oh yeah, that's it right there.
105 degrees. La 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 la. 105 degrees outside. I am very happy I did not cycle in the afternoon, but I still got early this morning. Go for my little 30-mile jaunt. Give me tomorrow. Hot dog. Who's that? I don't know.
By crediting your club account with $20 in player payback free play credits. Play on and continue
We're gonna
to
cut
earn
the
a
carrots.
$20 player payback award for every $100 of loss.
Hello.
No card? No problem. We come to you and
Hope you can hear that. let you guys. Methinks I have done enough. This weather is killing me. My dogs are killing me. All that good stuff. And I think that'll be it for today. I think that'll be it for today, guys. All right, so your pal, OneManOneCamera, saying thanks for watching. It's hot. I am pooped out. I will see you guys again really, really soon. Good day.